Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the $40 Jeffree Star Mystery Box. I got the $40 and the $75 box, but I haven't gotten the big one yet, so we're going to go ahead and open up this one today. But before we get into this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. Here it is. The goods. We got the goods. Okay, so they all come in this tissue paper because you know you've seen a million of these videos. And yeah, so let's go ahead and see what we got in here. Okay. God, this is so awkward. Okay. Of course, obviously, everybody got a pop socket. So yeah, not really into red, but I'm going to use it anyways. And the next thing that is in here is a velour liquid lipstick, and this is in Can't Relate. And I'm gonna go ahead and just give you a lip swatch. Why not? Oh my god, look at this packaging. It is so pretty. This is such a good color too. They want you to shake well before use. Does it really have a smell other than like a makeup smell? But let's see how pretty this is. I'm just going to look into my camera and put this on. Hey, yeah. It's cute. This is so cute. I don't even know if that's on there good. I like it. It's cute. Looks good. So that's Can't Relate. Oh, I should probably swatch the colors too, shouldn't I? So here's the colors swatched. Super pretty. Okay. Okay, and the next thing in here is a lip ammunition in the shade Starfish. This one looks to be pink. And the packaging is like so much cuter in person. I love this. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. Bam, that is pink. I love that. Yes. Okay. Oh yeah. That is pink. I can't really see what I'm doing, but that you get the idea that this is the color. And it has like a fruity smell. It almost smells like Cocoa Pebbles or, no, Fruity Pebbles. That's what it smells like, I think. I don't even eat that, but that's what comes to mind when I smell this. God, I love this color. This is so cute. I just want to wear this for like the rest of the day. The next thing in this box is another velour liquid lipstick in the shade Triggered. It looks to be like a dark brown plum color. Which also has the super cute sparkly packaging from his newest collection. Love that. Oh yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. It reminds me of the shade Vixen from Kylie Jenner's holiday collection 2 years ago, and me and that shade were not friends whatsoever. But let's go ahead and swatch it. Maybe I will like it. I'm not gonna like this. Oh my god. This is like the worst swatch in the history of swatches, but I can't see. This'll be good enough because, yeah. I don't think I'm really ever gonna wear this shade. I mean, you could wear it as an eyeliner too, but don't mind just don't mind this. But this is just the color. I mean, I guess it doesn't look bad, but I'm not into it. No. No, thank you, ma'am. No, thank you. Okay, so the last one in here is another velour liquid lipstick in the shade Watermelon Soda. This I'm extremely excited for. This was in the last mystery box for Black Friday, and I wanted to go buy this after I saw it, but I never did, and I'm so excited that I got it because this is such a pretty color. Here it is. So pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. And it smells like watermelon. Oh, also this shade Triggered has like gold flakes of glitter in it. I didn't notice that before, but you can barely tell. But anyways, let's swatch this Watermelon Soda. Yes, so excited. Love that color. My God, and it smells so good. I'm gonna get closer because I want to wear this for the rest of the day. Wow, I cannot see what I'm doing. What? I'll go put this on somewhere else. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. How pretty is this color? I just want to wear this every single day. All day. I want to wear it to bed. That's how much I love this color. This color literally just made the entire box perfect for me. Okay, and the last thing in here is a Skin Frost in the shade Deep Freeze. Okay, so this is looking a lot better than the pink one or the green one. What is this blue? It's huge. Look, that's my hand. I didn't expect it to be so big. Okay. I can't open it. Oh, yes. This is blue, and I'm so into it. Yes. I had a blue highlighter come to me broken, and I was so sad, and I did not get a replacement for it because they sent me something else. But I am so excited about this. Okay. Let's swatch it. Doesn't smell like anything. Oh my God. Yes. Okay. I am completely excited about my bag. Other than the color Triggered, but you know, you're not gonna get everything you like from Jeffree Star because it's crazy. Though I would have loved to have like a bright purple because I love purple lipstick, but I still have my $75 box to hope for with a bright purple lipstick. But yeah, I love this box. This is so good. Well, I mean, bam. Makes my highlight look a lot more poppin' than it already was. Except for it's blue and it doesn't go with this makeup look whatsoever. But, you know. prefer blue during the winter time. Because this doesn't look good at all whatsoever, but I just wanted to put it on my face. But come the winter time next year, well, I can still wear it now, but it's like 75 degrees outside, and we have an early spring coming, so I don't know if I'm going to be using this as much in the next like month. But come next winter, this thing will be used every single day, and as an eyeshadow because it's so pretty. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you love Jeffree Star, give it a thumbs up. If you hated this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys when I get my $75 box.